everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn circle, how we are going to create the circle, the dimension and everything. All the instruction, how to do it, how to do the light and share, everything we explain further. So please keep on watching. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, like my videos and share with your friends.
Once again.
Today we are going to learn a circle. Okay, whenever you shade a circle, first draw the circle very correctly. So this is the circle. Okay, when you draw a circle, you need to shade it. When you shade it, this is the direction you're going to shade it. So these are the directions, and when you shade this side, the directions are like this. Very curvy and very round. And this side, you're going to shade it like this. These are the four sides where you're going to shade. Okay, how to create the dark and light, where the darkest will come and where the lightest will come. Please divide your object into two parts. When the light falls from here, it is actually, I just want to tell you, wherever light falls, the direction changes. Like if the light falls from this side, so this side will be dark. Now the light is falling from this side, so this side will be dark. It's a similar case. Okay, now here we are going to divide this into four parts. When it is a circle, when it doesn't have any dimension, very square or nothing, we are dividing into four parts. So this is sure that this part is light. Okay, these two parts will be medium and this part will be darkest. How to shade it, that is really important. You can shade it, you have two techniques. You can shade like this, means like this, as I showed you over here, or you can go spiral like this. Both the ways are okay. And whichever is comfortable to you, you can do it like that. It is not like you have a rule that you should do like this. It's not like that. Okay, now when this is there, will be light and here it will be dark. So we are going to move like this and like this. We are going to keep it medium and just this will be lightest part. Okay, whenever round is there, it is always on a base. Everything is on a base. So when the base is there, we are going to get it little bit darker. So this way will be the shading. The pencil I have used HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B. But in this shading, you can see the further video, but in this shading I have just used HB and 8B because I have comfortable with that. HB I just like to smoothen it out, and 8B I just like to give it a little bit of darkness. Okay, so if you want to gradually like HB, 2B, 4B, 6B and then go to 8B, that is your choice. So here I am drawing a circle and I am just going to take a spiral direction today. So I am just going to go spirally, and this is the pencil I am taking HB and I am going to shade it all over wide. Now see the edges are not sharp, keep it very soft. I am just tilting my pencil and I am going to shade it in one direction. If you have not seen shading video, then please do check the shading video. I'll link it in the description box so you can get it out. Now I'm just going to do same way as I explained before, then shade it smoothly. Now I have used only HB pencil and I have not used any of the extra pencil because I just want to finish all the, I wanted this to be curved, round and circular form. So just go gradually, mix it properly and see your lines are not there, and make it proper, like it comes in a spiral way and feels like it is a ball. So now you can see how it is created, and this is really simple.